In a small village near the mountains, there lived a poor girl named Amina. She was only 13 years old and lived with her mother in a tiny mud house. Her father had passed away many years ago, and her mother worked hard, washing clothes for other families. Even after working all day, they sometimes slept hungry. Every morning, Amina woke up before sunrise. She helped her mother fetch water from a faraway well and clean the house before going to school. Her clothes were old and her shoes were torn, but she never complained. While other children laughed and played, Amina quietly carried her books and dreamed of becoming a doctor one day. Many people in the village told her poor girls cannot become doctors. Dreams are only for rich people. Their words hurt her, but she stayed silent and continued studying. At night, there was no electricity in her house. Amina studied under a small oil lamp. Sometimes the lamp ran out of oil, so she sat outside under the moonlight and memorized her lessons. Even when she was tired, hungry, and sleepy, she never stopped trying. One day, her school announced a district scholarship exam. The winner would get free education in the city. Amina knew this was her chance. She studied harder than ever before. For weeks, she practiced mathematics, science, and English late into the night. On the day of the exam, many students arrived in expensive clothes with new bags and books. Amina felt nervous because she had nothing except her old notebook and a pencil. But she remembered her mother's words. Real strength is not in money. It is in courage and hard work. Amina took the exam with confidence. A few weeks later, the results were announced. The entire village was shocked. Amina had secured first position in the whole district. Her teachers were proud, and even the people who once laughed at her praised her determination. With the scholarship, Amina moved to the city and continued her studies. Years later, she finally became a doctor. But she never forgot her village or her struggles. She returned home and opened a free clinic for poor people. One evening, an old woman asked her, "How did a poor girl like you become so successful?" Amina smiled and replied, "Poverty can make life difficult, but it cannot stop a person who refuses to give up." After opening the free clinic in her village, Amina became a source of hope for everyone. Poor families who could not afford treatment came to her. Every day, she treated children with kindness, listened patiently to old people, and never charged money from those who had nothing to give. One winter, a dangerous disease spread through nearby villages. Many people became sick, and fear filled the area. Some doctors refused to visit because the roads were muddy and difficult. But Amina remembered the hardships of her own childhood. She could not ignore the suffering of others. Every morning, she traveled from village to village carrying medicines in a small bag. Sometimes she walked for hours in heavy rain just to help one patient. Her mother worried about her safety, but Amina always said, "If we do not help people in difficult times, then what is the purpose of education?" One night, a man knocked on her clinic door in panic. His little daughter was very ill and could barely breathe. Without wasting a moment, Amina rushed with him through the dark streets to their small house. She treated the child carefully for many hours. By morning, the little girl slowly opened her eyes and smiled. Her parents began to cry with happiness. The poor man folded his hands and said, "Dr. Amina, we have no money to repay you." Amina gently replied, "You do not owe me money. Just promise me that your daughter will study, follow her dreams." Years passed, and Amina's clinic became a small hospital. Young girls from the village started going to school because they were inspired by her story. Parents who once believed education was only for boys now encouraged their daughters to learn. One day, Amina was invited to speak at a large ceremony in the city. Standing on the stage, she looked at the crowd and remembered the nights she had studied under the moonlight. She said, "I was once a poor girl with torn shoes and impossible dreams. People thought poverty was my weakness, but it became my strength. Difficulties do not destroy us if we choose courage over fear." The audience stood and applauded loudly. But the happiest person in the hall was her mother, whose eyes were filled with tears of pride.